Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Suvarnabhumi International Airport. We pleased to inform you that we have 35 minutes ahead of the schedule. Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign switch off and the aircraft come to complete stop. Do take care when you're opening the overhead compartments, and before leaving the aircraft, please check that you have your personal belongings with you. On behalf of Asia, Captain Attaché First Officer Sitang, and the rest of the crew, we would like to thank you for flying with us today, and we are looking forward to see you again soon. If you need any assistance upon arrival, please contact our class staff. Thank you for flying with us and have a pleasant evening.